Hello, my name is Mike Gourley. I'm the production manager here at the Viking Classics Louisville, Kentucky plant, and I have a 2-second improvement that I'd like to share with you guys. So we have a machine here that sits at the end of the row of all of our other machines that runs multiple jobs, and each job has an end of run or has a end of arm tooling, and we store all these end of arm toolings at the other end of the shop. And I wanted to bring them down to the machines themselves. So what I did was I took my idea and I put it on paper, drew it all out on paper, and with the help of Terry Glass at our Jeffersonville facility, he was able to take my drawing and turn it into a 3D model, which in turn allowed us to make a 3D printed model of a holder to allow it to hold on to the machine. So with that, we included magnets. That way we don't have to drill into the machine wall, and it simply just sticks to the machine like that. So now all our guys got to do is take them off, put them on, and put them back. And then they're all stored here right at the machine. Thank you.